Well, folks, here we are at Cave Lake State Park, which is near Ely, Nevada. And the lake has been drained significantly. I guess they're doing some dam repairs on it, but the water level's definitely down quite a bit. This is September of 2021. You can see there's the dock. The water used to go all the way up to the top there. Yeah, so the water actually used to come all the way up to this point right here, right at the edge of this grass. Boy, they've really drained this. See how low it is from the dock? Well, hopefully they make whatever repairs they need to make, and they get it filled up for next year. Alright folks, thanks for watching.